If you were born between September 23rd and October 22nd, you're considered a Libra. So what are Libra's sexual desires? Well, you click this video to find out, and that's coming right up. What's going on, guys? If you haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell like you're trying to hit something out the ballpark. One of Libra's must-haves is to make love. It's like breathing air, like they just gotta have it. They tend to feel so alive and joyful when in motion. They surround themselves with beauty, and one of their ultimate life goals is to have that balance. So even though Libras need to make love, Libras can be very challenging for them to fall for you, depending on the situation, especially when you're trying to turn them on. So even though they prefer ultimate balance, they prefer to have their partner's needs be taken care of first. It's just in their DNA. Once they have you, it's like, you're gonna be blessed. You're gonna be real blessed. Libras can be a people's pleaser. They are the type that most likely to have fun with more than just one person, if you catch what I'm saying. They tend to touch themselves a lot, depending on the person that they're thinking of. Libras love to feel appreciated. They just do. However, they can be very indecisive sometimes though. Libras prefer to have someone that is very creative in bed, and also someone that can take charge. When it comes to the best sex for Libras, we're talking about Aries and Tauruses. It's just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that. So if you like this video, I made a whole playlist of horoscope sexual desires that you can check out. If you want to learn more about Tauruses and what they like and their sexual desires, definitely give that a watch. Watch, apply, and stay safe. Safe sex, people. I ain't playing that bullshit. Safe sex or you get slapped on your ass.